Thanks, Denise. St. George's College bounced back from their recent 6-0 drubbing by St. Catherine High to blank host Innswod High 4-0 in the Issa Urban Area Under-14 football competition at Shedwin Park on Tuesday. Jadani Morris got things underway in the 12th minute before Daniel Wall added a second in the 30th minute. It was 3-0 on the stroke of half-time, courtesy of Tyshawn Thomas. Braden Burkett completed the route 5 minutes from time for STGC to record their third victory of the competition.
It was a much more improved performance, being that we came off a 6-0 loss, but this was a good response to what had happened on Friday. I thought the guys decided that this game they wanted to do much better. They would pass the ball much more than we did in the previous game, in the St. Catherine game.
This game was a tough game for us, but we didn't stick to the game plan. And these young men start to show a little bit in discipline where creeping, give us throw off the game completely. But we're going back to the drawing board and see where we can work with the next 2 games but leave. And from there, we see where.